Running out of yarn can be kind of annoying when you are in the middle of a project, but there are some ways to create a seamless or somewhat seamless connection between the two. So I'm going to show you this with two different colors, but oftentimes I'll do this with the same yarn when I'm adding two. So I'm going to start with the yarn that I'm working with. So this is attached to my piece. Okay, and I'll put that over here. And then I will take my new color or new skein of yarn. So now what I'll do is I will take my new piece and put that over here. Then I'm going to take my working yarn that I've been working with and cross it over. I'm going to hold that middle piece. I'm going to bring my new yarn over, and then I'm going to go under. There. Okay, so then I have it kind of like this. Then I bring these two pieces together. So we're going to actually tie a knot with these two pieces. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my new piece behind my working piece. I'm going to take this yellow one and I'm going to go under and through that hole. And then I'm going to pull them apart. So it kind of creates this little like loop inside of a loop. You see that? And now I'm just going to pull them nice and tight. And then I'm going to pull these fairly tight. Now, with acrylic yarn, cotton yarn, you can pull pretty tightly. If you're working with a chenille or like a parfait chunky, one of those, you're not going to pull as hard because it will break, but just tight enough that it will stay. So I snipped off those edges. And there you have it. A nice sturdy yarn. So if I was continuing on, this would be a small minor little bump in my project. It's just a nice seamless and it just keeps going. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we put out new tutorials.